welcome back to Auto Action. Although it didn't create the minivan, Honda didn't take long to perfect the design with the Odyssey. As the Odyssey enters its third decade of manufacturing, its excellent reputation for worry-free transportation of up to 8 passengers and their belongings hasn't wavered. A dependable, if unspectacular, V6 engine and a 10-speed automatic transmission provide class-competitive efficiency and dependable performance, and the impressive, for a minivan ride and handling inspire confidence and convey a sense of well-thought-out design and construction quality. In contrast to the most recent models of the Toyota Sienna, Chrysler Pacifica, and Kia Carnival, the Odyssey's interior can feel a touch empty, but for 2025, the tech level has been raised and now comes with a standard rear-seat entertainment system. Additionally, a PA system and cabin camera allow front-row passengers to get all 1984 on the kids in the back. The second-row seats in the Odyssey may be arranged in a way that will assist maintain harmony throughout lengthy family travels thanks to its multi-adjustable Magic Slide seat system, but the seats don't fold completely flat like the third row does. The 2025 Honda Odyssey ranges in price from $43,315 to $52,275, depending on the model and options. In 2025, Honda reduced the number of Odyssey models from 5 to 4 by discontinuing the lowest EX trim. It doesn't really matter because the EXL has always been our pick for the greatest bargain due to its power-operated rear liftgate, wireless charging capability, and heated leather seats, basically, all the essential family-friendly features minus the extras. The Sport L trim, formerly just Sport without the L, is for midlife crisis types who want to maintain their zaddy attitude. It features black 19-inch wheels and gloss black detailing on the grille, headlamps, door mirrors, tail lamps, and other areas. Honda's 3.5-liter V6 engine, producing 280 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, makes a reappearance in the 2025 Odyssey. Simple specs for a 4,500-pound carrier, but the 10-speed automatic transmission was fine-tuned by Honda specialists to deliver optimal responsiveness. The end product is a sleek, quick-witted, and economical sweetie that handles and accelerates like a minivan should. It is still the best driving car in the class, for good reason. Though this is true of most contemporary family cars, we wouldn't want a little more feedback from the light yet direct steering. All of the Odysseys we tested have provided a comfortable ride, but we thought the EXL trim's 18-inch wheels offered us better protection from uneven roads than the top Elite trim's 19-inch wheels. The previous Odyssey we tested took 6.7 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour. Despite being a 2021 model, the powertrain is the same for 2025, so the outcomes should be comparable.